Did you know 53 enslaved Africans actually won their freedom in the U.S. Supreme Court and returned home? In 1839, Mende people led by Sengbe Pierre rebelled aboard the slave ship Amistad. They killed the crew and demanded to sail back to Africa. But the remaining sailors tricked them, sailing east by day and north by night. Instead of reaching Africa, they landed in New York, where they were arrested. Their case reached the Supreme Court, with former President John Quincy Adams arguing for their freedom. This was almost unheard of in America. Enslaved people winning in court. The justices ruled they were free people who had been illegally kidnapped, not property. In 1842, most returned to Sierra Leone as free men and women. This became the most successful slave ship rebellion in American history. Yet today, hardly anyone knows their names or their incredible victory. They proved that even in the darkest times, freedom could triumph.